Mountain Tidbit, Long Fork Train Collision. October 12, 1912 at 8:30 p.m. Passenger train number 1 was stopped to take on water for the engine at the mouth of Long Fork of Shelby Gap, Kentucky. The train was hit from behind by a mixed freight and passenger train coming from Jenkins, Kentucky. 3 people were seriously injured but recovered from their injuries. One train passenger coach was burned, and another coach was deemed too damaged to be of further service. Conductor Charles Levy oversaw the mixed train and claimed that neither train had headlights or rear markers in his testimony. This was the second train accident in the area in 9 days. This came from the Big Sandy News out of Louisa, Kentucky, October 18, 1912. We at Kentucky, Tennessee Living would like to thank you for joining us for Mountain Tidbits. Thank you for your support as we bring to you the history of the Appalachian Mountains.